It is. Which animal? Farm animal.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
What is my favorite one?
Rabbit is. I love the rabbit. It's beautiful and it's so nice. It's beautiful.
Has
It has
beautiful.
beautiful fur.
Uh-huh.
I prefer because it is strong and beautiful.
They are strong.
They are strong and beautiful.
Do they eat insects?
Do they eat insect?
Insects.
Insect? No. They eat grass.
They eat grass. Thank you.
Do you like animals? Yes, I do. What is your favorite one?
Your
I love
favorite
what is your favorite one?
I love